Welcome everyone. So from now we will move from data types and work on some logical things. So first of all we have operators, and here we have arithmetic operators. There are 6 or 7 types of different operators, out of which first we will study about arithmetic operators because they are most common one and most useful. So I think every one of you is familiar with these things, and in mathematics all of you have used all these things already, and now we will use them in programming. So in every programming language we have the same arithmetic operators as in our Arduino programming. So first of all we have a reminder. So what a reminder is, and a reminder is actually like if I divide 9 by 2 and the quotient I will get is 4, and there is a one extra number here that is known as reminder. So I have 4 as quotient, that is my divisible number, and 1 as reminder. So this operator similarly provides us the value of the remainder, and rest we have the multiplication. I think every one of you is familiar with the multiplication. Like if I multiply 9 by 2, then I will get 18, and for multiplication we use this star symbol, that is shift plus 8 on every keyboard. And after that we have addition, which just simply adds 2 number, that is like 9 plus 2, we have 11 here. And after that we have subtraction, that is 9 minus 2, that is 7 here. And then division, that is 9 by 2, we get 4.5 if they are floating point values. Like if I write 9.0 divided by 2, then I will get 4.5. And if I divide 9 divided by 2, then I will get only 4, not 0.5. Remember this thing, and that I have already told you data types. And after that we have in last an assignment operator. So what does a assignment operator? So first of all, like if I give a is equal to 5, here I am giving a value of 5 to a variable a. So I have given this value by using an operator, that is assignment operator, and it seems like equal to equality operator, but it's a little different from that, because equality operator is double equals to. In further videos when we are going to study conditionals and loops, you will see that when we try to equate two things, then we use double equality sign. That makes a sense because one is just for giving a particular value to something. If I write here single a, that it means that I am giving 4 to a variable a. And I have told you that program is just a program. It doesn't have any itself knowledge or understanding, so it understand single operator by just you are assigning a value to a. So always treat a computer or a program as a child, and have a thing in your mind that you are teaching everything, and as perfect you will teach him, as perfect the response is. So always try to differentiate between single and double equality sign, where double is for equality and single is for assignment. And also sometimes if you put a single operator, that is assignment operator, for equality, the program will also work, but that is not a perfect statement. So let's try to implement all this here, so you will be familiar that how they will work in Arduino programming. Like if I have a value int x is equal to, let we have 15, and y is equal to, we have 3, and first of all let we have z, and for plus operation let me take from a, that is x plus y, and with that for reminders let me define z also by 2. Now we will print these values on the serial monitor. So for that let we initialize the plotter by serial.begin. I think every one of you is now perfect in this. One more thing here, always try to focus on capitalization of words, because this is the most common error that will that you will terminate in your programs, and a little harassment will be produced by this error. And now let me print this. A here, and then a delay of 1 second, and then we have another variable b, that is the difference of x and y. So now let we have x minus y. So this is the way that you can work here on operators. Now let me print this serial.println, and we have b here, and now again a delay of 1 second here. And now let's move to another operator, that is let int c, which is equal to x star y, that is the multiplication operator. And now print this, and here we have this, but we left with a division operator and a remainder operator. So let we have d is equal to, that is x divided by y, and serial.println, that is d here. Here we have to also provide a delay, and a delay is not necessary, I'm just giving for simplification. And after that serial.println, but we have left with a remainder operator, but first we have a delay, and now remainder operator. So now we have int e is equal to x, and for remainder we use percentage. So we have x percentage, and if we divide 3 then we have 0 remainder, so we will divide 2 so that we can have a 1 as remainder. So let we print it now, and here we go e, and after that let we have a delay of 10 seconds because we further did not require any value. So now first let we have to upload the code, and now here you can see in serial monitor, let it uploaded, here it is. So now as you can see here we are getting values, that is first x plus y, 15 plus 3 18, then 15 minus 3 12, and what happened now, it's not giving the further values, where it screwed up. Serial.begin, sorry I have written serial.begin here instead of ln. So here we go, and here I have written serial.begin, and it doesn't produce next further output. What happened there is it changes the communication rate, so I think it's a good error. So it is in focus now. So what that does do, that changes this baud rate 9600, and given that the value of c, that we have the multiplication here, and the communication is so fast that we cannot communicate with the computer at that point. So that was the error, and what happens with that error. So now here you can see that first of all we have sum, that is x plus y, then x minus y, then x into y, that is 45, and after that 15 divided by 3, that is 5, and at last we have remainder operator, then 1, and again it's get printed. So this is the way that you can use operators, but we do not require operators to just see images on serial monitor. We require these operators to work on conditions and loops, which we are going to learn further, and did not imply them here because we have not studied them till now. So in the next video we will learn about other remaining operators that are not much required. We just require these arithmetic operators a lot, and they require just in some certain conditions. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.